Yo guys, welcome to my channel Jungle Spice Magic, and in this video we'll talk about dream journals for lucid dreaming. So what is a dream journal is? Dream journal is like a dream diary which you use for remembering your dreams and writing your dreams in a book, like a diary, like okay, journal, okay? So dream journal is basically the first step for lucid dreaming. It's for the beginners to start lucid dreaming, and it helps you in remembering your dreams. Like every night you get dreams, right? But you forget once you wake up. So to remember your dreams, you need to have a dream journal in which you write your dreams every day. And what it helps you in, like, you get used to remembering your dreams. So that's really a good step towards getting into lucid dreaming. And dream journals are really good thing to maintain, like it helps you in lucid dreaming. It's like really good, to maintain a dream journal. So yeah guys, have a dream journal, maintain a dream journal to get into lucid dreaming. Once you have a dream journal, once you start writing your dreams, and the next step is to do reality check. I'll make another video on reality check itself. And once you get the reality check done, and you are lucid in your dream, so like every night we get 7 to 8 dreams, but we don't remember those dreams. But once you start maintaining a dream journal, and once you start writing your dreams, like in the beginning you'll write remember only one or two dreams, like one or two scenes from the dream. But if you keep writing the dreams, you will start remembering 4 dreams, 5 dreams, and then around like 7 to 8 dreams, and you will like write so many paragraphs and book pages, like so yeah guys, like dream journal is a basic step for getting into lucid dreaming. And it's fun, like to write your dreams, like, and dreams are really powerful. It has some signs for you, for your daily life. It's connected to your life. I have observed myself that, like, lot of times I have like seen future in my dreams. Like I write dreams and then I see it's connected to the future. Like there's some kind of a connection. I don't know how it works, but and there's this thing, dream science. Like for me, like personally, I get like some dreams which are in common. Like I get like lot of aqua dreams, like water dreams, lot of train dreams, like I'm traveling in a train, and lot of skateboarding dreams, and lot of cobra snake dreams. Like this is like my dream design, like dream patterns. Like these dreams are in common, like I get these dreams a lot. So you have your dream design and your dream pattern, you get some other specific dreams. Like if you keep writing, you'll understand, like and dream journal is very important to start lucid dreaming. It took me like 7 days when I started writing lucid dream journal to start lucid dreaming. It took me 7 days to get the first lucid dream. And it depends on you, like you can get it tonight, you can get it tomorrow, or you can get it in 2 days, 3 days. It depends on you, like it differs from person to person. So yeah guys, maintain a dream journal to start lucid dreaming. It's really helpful, and it's very easy. You just need to wake up and write your dream. That's it. It's so like easy, once you start remembering your dreams, then you have to do reality checks. Once you get into reality checks, and once you understand how to work with reality checks, then you get into lucid dreaming. Excuse me. So yeah guys, lucid dreaming starts with dream journal. So maintain a dream journal, write your dreams, do reality checks, and get into lucid dreaming. And then we'll talk about what fun things we can do inside the lucid dream. And there's a lot of videos in YouTube in which you can see a lot of things which you can do in lucid dreaming. So yeah guys, that's it for you today. See you again in the next video. Like and subscribe.